In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving or animated banner in Google Sites' easy step-by-step guide. We'll start by creating a simple animated graphic in Canva. Then we'll place it right into your Google site so it loops smoothly at the top of your page. First, open Canva and head to the Templates area. In the search bar, type GIF. This pulls up a collection of ready-made animated designs you can repurpose as a banner. Browse until you find a style that matches your site's look. Clean, bold text usually reads best on a header. Select the template you like and choose Customize this template. Inside the editor, update the text, colors, and any elements you want to feature. For a banner, aim for a wide, short layout so it spans your site nicely, without taking up too much vertical space. You can resize the page in Canva if needed, and keep animations simple for better readability and smaller file sizes. When your design looks good, click Share in the top corner, then choose Download. Canva may show MP4 video by default. Click where it says MP4 video to open the Format menu, and switch it to GIF. GIF is ideal for Google Sites banners because it loops automatically and doesn't require a video player. Before you export, consider trimming the number of pages or shortening the animation duration to keep the file lightweight. This helps your site load faster. Now click Download and let Canva process the file. With your GIF saved, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the moving banner. Hover your mouse over the page header or the section you're using as a banner until you see the small palette icon appear. Click that palette icon to access the background options. Next, hover over the image area and choose Upload. Select the GIF you just downloaded from Canva. Google Sites will place it as the section or header background, and it should begin looping automatically once it loads. If the crop feels too tight or the text sits too close to the edges, remember what looked best in the Canva preview and adjust your Canva layout accordingly, then re-download the GIF and upload again to refine the fit. That's it. Your Google site now has a clean, animated banner that draws attention without distracting from your content. Keep animations short, high contrast, and lightweight for the best performance and accessibility. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new moving banner.